So it's a hot week here in Pennsylvania. It's like 95 degrees. In the shop it's probably like 102. But I'm finally done with all the other stuff I was doing in the shop, like the neon. I had to fix a manifold flange for a guy the other night. I got the motor, I got the trans mounted to the motor finally. It's covered up because I was grinding over there for a little bit. I'm waiting for an oil pan gasket so I can mount my oil pan and everything before I drop it in the car. But today I'm going to start working on the cage again, which is pretty much just going to be, I got to weld these two dash bar mounts, one over there, one over here. I got to make the bar for the roof and weld that in. And Jake just rolled up.
What up?
And do I see?
Big meat.
Oh my god.
Shit. Oh,
he's wearing a freaking polo.
his Napa shirt.
I didn't know they made him that big.
I am now reminded as to why you hate doing roll cages.
Yeah.
But you're so damn good at it.
Yeah, I hate him.
Oh, I know. You're a big man.
Yeah.
Real big. Got a lot of man there. A lot of people can't handle a whole lot of man.
A lot of people can't.
You make it work, bud.
Ever hear the saying, don't kick a man while he's down?
Yeah, you're pretty down right now.
Well, don't kick a man while he's walking.
I just got done welding the dash bar in, and I will say this, I hate roll cages. It's like crawling around in a jungle gym in here. So that weld's finished. The weld on the other side's done. I've got the engine in the air now, so now I'll mount the oil pickup tube, the windage tray, and the oil pan, as well as the two motor mounts. And then from there, I gotta put my solid mounts on, and then it's ready to go in. Got the motor ready to be lifted in. Motor mounts, well, the motor mount mounts are attached to the engine, and then here I have solid motor mounts that'll attach to the subframe. John and Miller actually is back there, and yeah, so we're gonna get this in right now. Another hot night at the shop. Motor sitting in the Rx7. I don't know where I'm going to start. Probably bolting up the turbo manifold first, fitting the turbo on. I also got to fabricate and design and build the whole intake system. I got to do my radiator and intercooler build. I'll be mounting those in a V-mount design, where the rad sits on an angle like this, the intercooler sits up top like this. That traps the air as it comes in. But I'm not starting on this yet. First, I gotta make this 4-inch MAF housing for the Volkswagen kids. I already machined the flange up and pretty much just got to weld that on there. And then also, these got an air straightener in them. So I printed this up on the 3D printer. Still needs to be cleaned up a little bit with a file before I put it in, but once I finish welding that, what I'm going to do is I'll put this in the mill machine, and I got to use my boring bar to bore this inside diameter out a little bit so this fits in there. Whoops, sorry, wasn't pointing there, but yeah, I gotta bore this inside out so this sits in there, and there'll be a back ledge on here for it to hit against, and I'll probably put some epoxy or something in there to keep it in. And there it is, all welded up. There you go. Yo, is it Wednesday?
It's Thursday.
But it was Wednesday.
Thursday morning.
And it's trash night. Oh, it's right there. Whew. 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 I forgot.